In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a challenge on Equity Edge. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from browsing to receiving your challenge account and getting ready to trade under the rules. First, open your browser and head to the official Equity Edge website. Log into your account or sign up if you're new. During sign up, follow the prompts carefully and confirm any email verification they send. Make sure you're on a secure connection and keep your login details safe, since you'll need access to your dashboard later. Once you're in, navigate to the Challenges or Evaluation section. This is where Equity Edge lists the evaluations they offer, along with the rules and objectives for each. Take a moment to review their trading rules page so you understand things like profit targets, maximum drawdown, daily loss limits, time limits, and any instrument or platform restrictions. Now choose the challenge type that fits your approach. Equity Edge typically offers different styles, such as one-step, two-step, and other labeled programs like Legacy, Flagship, or Swift. In general, a one-step evaluation is faster to complete but may come with stricter thresholds, while a two-step spreads objectives across phases. Consider your risk tolerance, account size preference, profit target, and budget. If you're newer to evaluations, a structure with more time or clearer phase milestones may feel more comfortable. When you've decided, open the challenge page and click the Buy or Purchase Challenge button. Confirm the account size, platform, and region settings. If you have a discount code, apply it at checkout before paying, and verify the final price and any taxes or fees shown. It's also a good time to glance at the terms, especially details about refunds or resets. Next, complete the payment using one of the supported methods. Enter your billing details accurately and ensure they match your payment provider to avoid delays. Wait for the payment confirmation on screen or via email before moving forward. After purchase, you'll usually be prompted to complete identity verification. Equity Edge requires KYC, so be prepared to upload a valid ID and follow any instructions they provide. Ensure your personal details match your account and complete this step promptly so your evaluation can be activated without delays. Once your payment and KYC are approved, Equity Edge will issue your challenge login credentials in your dashboard or by email. Check your inbox and spam folder. Store your credentials securely and log into the designated platform. Review the challenge rules again, confirm your metrics are tracking, and you're ready to start trading under the evaluation guidelines.